Live is a journey. There will always be a new horizon to be discovered. Taste of salt at the ocean, the smell of trees in the mountains, long nights at the campfire, sleeping under unfamiliar stars, catching the first rays before the sun awakes, one day arriving at the place you always wanted to be. Find your path, because when you stop and look around, this life is pretty amazing. The special paintwork in blue, combined with modern interior architecture and multiple included extras, make this model unique. Feel free. Feel truly alive. Now is the right time for an adventure. The new Free S600 Blue Evolution.